Create a stunning Instagram story with Canva templates. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning Instagram story using Canva templates. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Head over to canva.com and log into your account. In the search bar, type Instagram story and select the template option from the dropdown. You'll see a huge library of pre-designed templates. Choose one that fits your brand, mood, or message. Click on it to open the editor. Now, customize the text to match your content. You can change fonts, colors, and size to stay on brand or match your theme. To make it more eye-catching, add photos or videos. Either upload your own or pick from Canva's free media library. Use stickers, icons, and animations to add flair, but don't overdo it. Keep the design clean and focused on your message. Once you're done, click on Share, then download it as an MP4 or PNG file. You can now upload it directly to your Instagram story. And that's how you create a stunning Instagram story using Canva templates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.